Hey guys, being here. First, I just want to thank you for the feedback about the voice. Um, uh, I just decided to redo the videos so make sure you can clearly hear my voice. So today we are going to model a traditional Indonesian building, the roof, or something like this. So you can model it in a build in place mass, but today I'm going to model it as an adaptive family. So let's start. New generic model adaptive. So we're going to need 4 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll have another point here, and then another point here, and another point here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Select them, adaptive, and create a spline. So, and also, I think I'm stopping. I will stop use the 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 keyboard recording little tool. So if you have any issue or problem, or you can just ask me. So okay, so yep. So and now we need to have some point there. So draw on face in the middle on work plane. So pick the horizontal work plane on this point and place another point. Okay, move up or down. So actually, when the arrow pointing down, so we just need to select this point and rotate it for 180, so it go up with a positive number there. So create another one here, and same. Select this point, 190. Now we can select these 2 points and create a offset parameter. Okay, and then we need a off, horizontal offset point, horizontal offset point there from this point. So go set the reference plane on this point and place it on this point, and then so offset this way. So do the same. Go there and place it on this point, and now. So actually this one you can say the arrows are pointing that way, so we just need to rotate this so it goes that way, go outside. So select these 2 points and then create another offset. Let's call it offset 2, and now what we need is we need a middle point which slightly lower, so we will create this little middle point on the center of this line. So it's just select these 2 points, take the reference line, place a point, draw on face, place in the middle, another point on work plane, place on horizontal work plane, place on the point. Okay, go up. So this will be the offset 3, which is the middle height, the height of the middle, the ridge height. Okay, let's call it offset 3. Now what we need to do is just connect all these points. So create spline, spline, this one, spline, spline, and then the middle one we'll need to select these 3 points, spline, and then select all these lines. So when it's black color lines, and then you just tick if reference line, and then they become reference line. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we just need to create these face. So let me try. So this one, and create a face, and this one, and this one, create another face. And then let's try if I can do this. So select these two face and the nope, we can't do this. So let's go back. I'll dissolve that. What should we do? So maybe we need another 2 points and create this line and use 1, 2, 3 lines to create a face. Okay, so place points in the draw on face in the middle, near the one here in the middle. Connect these 2 points and connect these 2 points. Then select the and tick reference line. Now we have one line here, 1, 2, just tab, select, and 2, 3, create this face, and then 1, tab, select, 3. So now we have these 2 face, and yeah, that's done. Now we can create a project and load this adaptive family into the project. So load into project. Then I'll create some wall first. So let's say this 4 wall, and maybe it's 3 meters high, and then I'll just create this. So 1, 2, 3. That's right. 4. So this will be the massing. So, and also of course you can actually I build the parameter into a type parameter, but if you like you can just have instance, so it's easier to. So what you do is go there, edit the parameter, just change them to instance. So instance and instance. So load back into the project, and that's it. So you can change offset 1 is the one these two height of these points, I believe. So it's, let's say 7 meter high, go up a little bit. So if I want to make them go that way, so 3 meter, and then the middle, the height of here, so let's say 4.5. So, and then once you have this mass, you can just create a roof by face, and pick these 2 face, create roof. So that's the roof. It's down, and then you can maybe edit profile to match the shape. So this is it. Oh, actually, when I change this, the mass followed the point here. So yeah, if you change the mass, you can always select the roof and update, so it will it will match the mass shape. So that's pretty much it for today. So you can just, so that's a very simple example of adaptive family. Yeah, I hope I'm not sure about the voice, but yeah, probably a little bit background noise because kids are watching TV. So okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, yep, bye.